My name is Deepak Tiwari and I am supporting offline classes. Offline classes is too much better than online classes because you can follow discipline, and without discipline, if you have no discipline, so you not getting proper success.
Discipline is in the students. It's not about online or offline classes.
But it is matter too much for environment purpose. If you getting proper environment, so you will learn lot and you will follow your
A
discipline.
student which
Madam.
is studying in a offline coaching have a environment for studying it well. Whether it is a peaceful environment or a loud environment, you can study at your home in a peaceful environment.
Okay, madam, your mean is you will follow discipline. So suppose that if you have phone and you are taking online classes, so what happen? Your friend calling to you. So what will happen?
I will just decline the call.
It will take time, microsecond, but it will take time, and your mind will think.
This time,
wow.
this type of things also happened in the offline coaching. This is nothing new.
And there are so many libraries are also available for going there, and you can perform your study over there.
It is education that's matter.
Yes, but those things we can perform at our home, and that's possible.
You can perform at your home.
Yes,
but
we
you know
can
it
perform.
take lot
Too much pressure. Every teachers teach this.
because
If you have studied
if you
well.
getting lot pressure, so you can do better than without pressure, because without pressure nobody.
On you that you should be disciplined enough and should be motivate enough to take that education.
But nowadays in rural area, not getting proper network, not getting proper light, so how people can attend online classes? Just I'm very against of online classes.
It's not about the network. It is about the people who used to attend the classes. If you are passionate to attend the class, you can attend it from anywhere. Doesn't matter where do you live.
In most of the villages now the net is provided, most of the convenient. Now in the most rural areas it is shown that not the network is available, but most of their network is available and Wi-Fi's.
But it might happen now if people live in rural areas, so it also can happen network issues, even battery issues, not
So
getting
in the
proper
rural
light.
areas, in the rural areas, not good colleges, not good teachers are also available.
So people can go now in city for study purpose.
So if people can go a city, then he can also take the online education over there. There is Wi-Fi, there is the network, proper network.
Okay, if people live in city, so people will be give rent for room.
So
what is
in
the meaning of-
if you said that for the offline education he will go to the city, then for the online education he also go for the city, and that much amount he also have to pay for the offline education, or it is online education.
Okay, but literally I'm very against. According to my opinion, online classes is too much cheap than online classes because people can't follow discipline. If you have any queries, so how you will solve? If you have any query, you can stand in class and you
If
can
it is
directly ask to
cheaper,
the
then if it
teacher.
is cheaper for the students who don't have so much of money that to take the offline education from going there and here, so then it's good for them now.
But you know very well, sometime I need to perform practical. So how
Yes.
people can practical at home? No any test tube available, no any microscope available.
Yes, I agree on this point that
Okay.
some of the labs and those experiments are missing in the online education.
But that is the most expensive for students.
But you say in that time, if you pay too much money in your college or in your coaching, you can easily buy in your market, and you can easily practical in your home.
But that kind of things not available anywhere. If you doing in the 12th, if you doing in